do it on the first, but this time I'm gonna go ahead and do it now and share a little bit. So we start at 6:30, so we got like 6 minutes before we start, but I'm just wanted to uh, get my link and get ready to share it. Man, it's been some exciting stuff. Um, More gigs are popping up. It's Christmas time, so I've been asked to do like different Christmas parties and stuff. Um, let's see what I'm gonna do. Yeah, and so I got to start getting some playlists together, and I want to start arranging. I know it's late to try to arrange some Christmas carols, but I got some that I've done over the years, and I also, um, need to write some stuff out. I did start using MuseScore, the score writing software, and so one of the younger musicians turned me on to it. It's a free software, and I've been able to work with it and knocked out 3 charts, man. And I think this is like I was able to do this faster than Sibelius, so I really like it. Really like it. I'm sold on it now, so I must be working on more of my music, um, charting out stuff, and I'll put together a package because you know what I didn't ever really do um, all the way is get everything set up for you all if you want to buy my sheet music. I had it set up before on my website, and you can still buy um, some albums, but I still have to get that. I gotta re present that. What's going on? I'm just about to send this link off. We started at 6:30. It's like 3 minutes till. All right, I just need to send this out to my people. I got a text marketing software, and every week we usually do um, a call on Monday nights, and we do it on Zoom. But I decided to, since I've been streaming live, I just wanted to go live and kind of share some stuff and get some feedback from you all. Yep. So that's what's going on. I'm just sending this stuff off here right quick. Give me a second. I hear you in the chat. I hear you over there. I just need to send one more text out, and then we should be good. So I have a musician, I mean a music group, and then I have a crypto group, and then I have a music group. So people who connect with me to learn about the different opportunities um, that we take advantage of in the crypto space. You know, we talk all of that stuff, and then people who want to find out about the new CD and everything, they text music to this number. All right, I'm pulling up my chat. I heard some people come on here, and I got some things I want to talk about, and then I can kind of ask answer some questions or kind of go with your some of the comments that you have here. But yeah, just want to say what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up. The mayor, what's going on? Oh yes, sir. Yeah, glad you could catch me. I'm here, so we can chop it up. Um, but yeah, let's do it. I got 1 minute. I'm gonna get some my little coffee. Man, all right. So I'm gonna share what's on my mind, and kind of what I'm looking at. And first of all, for those that are new or who are just now getting on, um, I'm doing good. Awesome. Oh man. Oh, appreciate it. Good, good. Appreciate it. He said, for the one of the viewers here on YouTube, said the sound is awesome and great releases. So I appreciate it. All right, we got people on. What's going on? So yeah, we're on YouTube this time today, going live. We usually do Zoom on Monday nights, but I thought it'd be good to go live. I've been doing my live streams the last uh, few days. I've been streaming my working on the music. So let me give y'all some perspective of what's going on. Um, Being a musician, entrepreneur is pretty interesting roller coaster ride because on one hand you got your main passion, which is for me as music, performing, and also creating music, composing music, and publishing and selling music and stuff like that. And so here recently, I released my new CD called "In the Village," which originally I was just going to do a digital version, but I actually found some resources actually from being a part of this academy for savvy musicians, and we learned about a website that allows for you to print up your CDs, even if you just it's like on demand. So it's kind of like how I have for my book, The Christian Musician. Um, you can just go to Amazon and buy it, and they'll print it up and send it to you. And so there's a CD version of that. So it's Kanaki, KUNAKI.com. But you can put your artwork in there and upload your tracks and everything and print up a CD and have it sent out to you and however many you want. It's like $1.20, plus the shipping. So you might pay $5 for one CD. But for all of your music lovers, your supporters, once you upload your music and everything there, you can just put those links, the sales page, the sales links, put them on your website, and then when people buy a physical CD, if they want a physical CD, then um, they can purchase through there, and it'll ship it to them, and you don't have to worry about ordering a lot of CDs. But if you have a live show, then you can just order a bunch from them, 100 or 50 or however many you need, and just print them up and sell them at your local show. And so I actually printed up 100, but I was rushed because I had to find a local venue, which one I've already used before, Nationwide Disc. So I printed up my In the Village CDs. Let me grab one. Hold on a second. I'll just grab one of them. All right. So here it is. This is In the Village. This is the new CD. Just the jacket, like an album. You got the back and the front. The design was done by a friend of mine, Keith Hill. Does great work. And yeah, it's got 10 tracks on it. And I was excited to finally get a collection of songs together and finish it. And so it's done. So I did sell. Initially, I sold only from my website, quamonfowler.com. You can see the picture of the CD there. You click on it, it'll take you to the sales page where you can buy. You have the option to purchase the downloads, and you have the option to purchase the physical disc. So It's not on Spotify and it's not on Apple Music. You have to buy it through iTunes or Amazon, because I was wanting to, first of all, I wanted to know who it is that is actually supporting my music and actually wants to buy it. So if they buy it through my website, then I can uh, have the information and know who you are. Because when you buy through iTunes, or if you buy through, or not buy, if you just stream it, you don't know who's listening to your music, and then you don't get paid anything, pretty much fractions of a penny. And so, um, the reason why I do things differently is because I learn, and I explore um, different things just to see how it will work, And so during the last couple years, from 2019 until to now, it's just like I was prompted to get into real estate, to sell my own um, licks and sell my own um, play alongs and sheet music and those type of things, because I didn't have any idea that COVID and all of this stuff was coming around, to where it would make it challenging for us to work and make money, especially now with all the mandates and stuff that they're trying to clamp down on people who don't take the jab. People have to create other streams of income, more so now, um, more so than in any other time in our history, I think. And so, but I'm just thankful that I started the process earlier on, and I have multiple streams working with my business, music, and also, um, doing real estate, investing in precious metals, and also in crypto. And so, and y'all know how it is. I do my YouTube, and I sell my products, my book. I sell my CDs and sheet music and stuff like that. And so it's one of those things where you just gotta explore these ideas and see where they'll take you. And along the way, something will be hot like in a season, and then some things might be cool in another season. But as long as you got your seed spread out, you never know what'll bring forth fruit. And that's what I use. The scripture references Ecclesiastes 11, so go and check that out. In Ecclesiastes, it talked about that, about sowing 7 and 8 different things. All right, so a lot of exciting stuff happening. I'm gonna be jumping around, but I'll share a little bit about crypto stuff too. I got back into it last year. Hey, let me see. I'm gonna check out the chat and see what we got. So, Ted, what's up, Ted? Says, now I see what you mean by practice, mean working with my alto pretty much. Okay. And it's hard getting back to the tenor. Yeah, it's a guy. I think he was starting playing the alto. He was working on tenor primarily, I believe, or maybe do I have it the opposite way around? I know he was wanting to start playing tenor. But anyway, yeah. Tonight I'm dealing with entrepreneurship for musicians, or even if you're not a musician. But I'm gonna share some information and some insight to kind of help you. Um, so check it out. So this is where I am now. I've been really hard pressed for marketing my CD, and so that's what I've been doing, pushing my CD, and I've been getting sales through my website. I've been getting sales in person, one on one. I mean, from doing my gig. We had a gig at Scat Jazz Lounge, and I was able to sell some new CDs, and my local church, supports, and so I'm just thankful. And so I got a season coming up where we're doing some Christmas parties. So I just got another call for another Christmas party. So the calendar is filling up. But check this out. Speaking of which, I'm going to Arkansas. I'll be in Little Rock, Arkansas, on the 11th. We're doing a crypto Christmas event. Um, and I need to have that information. It's going to be at, what's that, New Faith. It's a church in Little Rock, Arkansas. Uh, yes, yeah, I'll tell you about a cryptocurrency to buy to check out. But I need to find that event. But just send me a message. Just text me if you want to find out about the event in Little Rock, Arkansas. We're teaming up with dynamic lady, Miss Angela, not Angela, Angel Roberson. She's real big in wealth education and teaching about crypto. Um, and so she has a group, a big event that she's putting on, and she invited myself and my friend Phil French to go out and perform, and we'll be just enjoying a crypto Christmas. It's gonna be food and music. They got a comedian there, and then you'll get to learn about um, how to get going in crypto. So let me tell you how big this is. So last week we were talking about on our Zoom call crypto.com, and they crypto.com is an app where you can buy different cryptocurrencies from Bitcoin to Ethereum to Litecoin to Binance Coin to Shiba to Crow, their own coin, and all of that. So I got in last year in August, yeah, late August, and at the time, the crypto.com coin was like I got it for like 9 cents. I remember it going down to like 5, 4, 5 cents, you know. And so when you get involved, especially with crypto.com, for instance, um, you have to download the app, number one, and then you have to get verified. So put in your license and take a picture, selfie, and all of that. Get set up, and then attach it to your bank, and then buy crypto like Bitcoin or even Crow, Ethereum, and different coins like that. So check this out. Everything um, has more than doubled since the time I got in last year. With Crow, which is crypto.com coin, has shot up over 71, 75 cents right now, I believe. And the reason why it shot up so high is because um, they they bought the Staples Center name. Crypto.com will be the name of the Staples Center. It's going to replace the name of the Staples Center in LA where the Lakers and Clippers play. So on December 25th, that's going to be the official day when they change the name to the Crypto.com Arena. So what that means, or what the implications of that, uh, what that means is like crypto is really going to be like become more popular, and like more people more than ever are going to be getting into cryptocurrency. And so the price of stuff like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and even Crow, all of it is going to just start climbing and climbing and climbing. Now, everything is always going to be up and down because that's just how it is. People are going to be making sales, and people are going to be buying. People coming and going all the time. So you're going to see that. But what you do is you just accumulate. But there's other opportunities that if you wanted to get into other things like artificial intelligence bots that trade for you and things like that, then you can reach out to me directly. But in terms of just getting started, you want to get something like crypto.com or Coinbase and buy some coins and hold on to them because you never know when it's going to pop. And this is stuff. This is money that you can afford to lose. You know, don't ever risk more than you can't afford to lose when you're messing around with this type of stuff. Because if you're not educated and you don't understand how it works, then you know you could get hurt. Um, but at the same time, there's huge opportunity for you to do well. And so I created a page called emusician.info, and I've shown that before. Let me share my screen right quick, and then I'll show you that. Give me 1 second. Uh, I'll pull this up so you can see this. This is my page that y'all can go to and check out the different opportunities. I'm gonna get to the questions. I just want to pull this page up right quick. So here I have information on how to get started. That's a video when we did our first entrepreneurial musician co-op, and a place for you to put your name and email. This is a video to watch for getting started in crypto. Talk about different wallets and exchanges, and break down what you need to do to get started. And then I have a list of different projects that I'm involved in, and you can watch the full presentations. And then if you wanted to join, you can click the link underneath to join. But these are the ones that I participate in, and these are doing well. All right. So let me go over here and look at the questions here. Let's see. All right. So somebody says, would you advise one to buy a fresh cryptocurrency? So speaking of one, like Kraken, the exchange, Kraken, they just announced this morning that SHIB is available to deposit and withdraw. So SHIB is Shibu Inu. It's that coin that it's like 7 zeros or so, and then a number. I'm gonna pull it up on the chart, and we'll look at a trading view so we can see it. But yeah, it might have a run up. We'll look and see. But sometimes you don't know which would actually progress. Yeah, and that's why you got to stay connected with a community like us. We hook up on Zoom, and we hook up in our Telegram group. We got a crypto growth Telegram group, and you can get on my crypto text message line. So just text crypto to 682-242-23. No. 7185. It's down here, so let me pull it up. There it is. 972-232-7185. You want to text crypto to that number. And that way you can shoot me messages, questions, and also I'll be sending out updates about what's going on, and I'll send you our Telegram group. And so you can get in there and get all of the updates that I share, that we share. So let me see if I can pull up Telegram right quick. Telegram, see, there's a lot of different groups that you can stay connected. You can stay connected with to see what's going on. So this is our group, Crypto Growth. That's Miss Cynthia Petian, the owner of Novatech. That's it's a crypto and forex trading company that that I'm in. But yeah, I'll share different things here. But just text me and I'll send you this information. Okay. I think the link. I don't know. The link is somewhere. But anyway, I'll send that over to you if you just text me. Text me at this number here. Crypto. Text crypto to it. Okay. All right. So let's see. Purchase in the village. Purchased in the village. Um, what I've heard is off the hook. Oh man, I appreciate you, RPJ. Appreciate the love and the support. He say the whole team killed it. I appreciate y'all. Yes. What's the deal with Dogecoin? Nothing. You should do SHIB. Everybody's bouncing on Doge to check out SHIB. Because SHIB is got some real utility. Doge was a joke, but it got so popular and everybody started adopting it. But then they created SHIB as a spinoff of it, but SHIB has some use case. So most people who get these coins and do stuff, buy stuff, they don't know nothing about it. They'll use Robinhood. And just go off what people say, the hype, but they don't really know anything about the cryptocurrency. They don't know how to read the chart. They don't understand the market cap, and most people are ignorant. That's how the market moves, based on people's fear. Fear of loss or fear of missing out. But this is Coin Market Cap. Coin Market Cap. So if I scroll down here, this shows you the top cryptocurrencies, the top 10. At number 10, Dogecoin is there, and it's 21 cents. So it's down. So if we look over here to the right, you'll see the market cap and the volume in the last 24 hours traded. Market cap is how much is held in that. So Bitcoin is the big daddy. So that's million, that's billion, and that's trillion. So $1 trillion in Bitcoin. People are holding it across the world. And then this is a billion. 527 billion, 335 million, 24,071. Ethereum shot up. I believe because, I don't know, everybody getting back into it now because after the holidays. So whenever the holidays happens, like Thanksgiving here in America, I saw it low. So I got some stuff last night, day before. I got some coins, and so now they're going up. All right, so I was talking about SHIB, and look, remember I was telling you about Crow. Well, it's not up here yet. Crow kind of went down, but it's gonna go back up. See, this SHIB is starting to go back up. It's gonna really have a good run up, I believe, because it's gonna show up on Kraken. But you see these zeros. This is what excites people. When they see that it's below a penny, a lot of people will start buying in. I've seen this as high as 7, but it's down, to 44.31. So, but look, this is a chart, and this is how we look at the market and see what happened, within a certain time frame. And so traders use this to determine when the best time to buy. So usually you can look at your structure, your movement, and you can also look at the news, because news affects price. And there's other tools to measure when you should get in, like the Fibonacci and all of those type of things. But I'm not going to go deep into that. I'm just showing you one resource here on CoinMarketCap, but it's another one. Let's look at. I'll leave that. Yeah, okay. I'll look at TradingView. So everybody who trades, most people know about TradingView. So I'm giving y'all a little game. All right, so TradingView allows for you to come and check out what's happening. So, okay, so let's look at. I want to look at Crow. I've been looking at Crow. That's crypto.com coin. So if I would get something, I would be stocking up on our crypto.com coin. And so this is Coinbase. You can get it on Coinbase or you can get it on the actual crypto.com. All right, cool. So check it out. All right, so now these are called candles. I'm dropping game. I'm dropping some trade knowledge here on the Jazz Webshed channel. But anyway, I'm just this is the entrepreneurial musician night. So I'm just showing you what I do when I'm not doing music. So check it out real quick. I won't, make your head spin. So if according to this chart over here to the left, it's on the 1 hour time frame. So that means each candle, the red and green, represents an hour. So green, of course, represents the price going up. That means people bought up. The red means that people sold off and it came down to a certain point. All right. So if we look at this, and each one represents an hour, let's change it to, let's look at a day. Make each candle represent a day. That way, it's a good way for us to determine what happened in 24 hours to see, determine what's a good spot. So to enter. So check it out. So this is 24 hours. So the price is dipping. Right now, the price is 70 cents. Okay? Which is good. It's good from the standpoint of buying in, because it was the holidays. Usually the market gets going between Tuesday and Thursday. So this will be a good entry point if you want to get in on some Crow, for instance. And you can buy at the low and, of course, ride it up. And typically, you can use something like TradingView and get lines and put some alerts. So you can put a line down there to see. That's what you call your floor. And then you can put a line up top so you can see, have your ceiling. All right. Okay. And they call this support and resistance. So resistance meaning that once it gets up to this point, a lot of people have been selling off. All right, sorry, I had that in the way. So these are our lines. Okay, what's going on? Okay, so yeah, so when it gets, okay, I can actually pull it up a little higher. All right, cool. So yeah, 80 cents. So we got some room, right? And they actually, that's just where the price is now. It came down here. No, you see what? That's a wick. That little line. So that means it hit that and it popped up. So it went a little under. Well, it actually went lower than that, but they bought it up. Remember, I got in last year at I got it for like 10 cents, 9 cents. So I'm good. But you can see this gives you a good idea of where the price has been and where it can go. So this is like a blimp view if you're looking at the 24 hours, the candle there on 24 hours. Um, let's look in the week. Yeah, so that's the week. It's came down, but it had a big run up. That big run up is from that announcement of them going to buy the Staples Center name and replace with Crypto.com. So this is good, y'all, because December 25th is when they're going to put the name on the building. You can Google it, YouTube it, and all of that good stuff, and you'll find out that information. So just a simple thing that you can do: put your trend lines, your support and resistance, put it at the top of the wick and put it at the bottom, and then just go in and out from the week to the day to, you know, as close as 15 minutes, so you can see if you're at a good spot to buy or sell. But when we look into the 15-minute time frame, everything is this is what you kind of call consolidation. Like it's kind of staying within a range. It's trending down, and this is 15 minutes, so it's still the holidays. But once some news pop off, or something for this, or another exchange will adopt it, then it'll start running up again because of all the hype. So check it out. I'm gonna do. Somebody said Doge, so let's look at Doge. Now this is Monday night. I know some musicians get in here like, "What are you doing, looking at charts and stuff?" But yeah, you got to read the chart with trading too. I've been working on my charts, so now I'm working on uh, my trading charts. No, but this is just my entrepreneurial musician call. Only on Mondays I do this type of stuff because I have a group of um, crypto friends and partners, and they are used to getting on this Zoom call. But I just thought it'd be good to share it live with you all, so y'all get a chance to peek in and see what's happening. Uh, all right, here on the channel. But I can answer any questions. I can take a peek at the chat. I just want to share a little game with y'all that I learned. All right, so look. Now, let's look at our time frame. This is Dogecoin. So I'll put it on a bigger time frame. Let's look at what happened in the last week, where the candles represent what happened in a week's time. Okay. All right, so it was a big sell-off because this is we're talking about um, holiday weekend. Well, the whole week. Come on now, get out of my way. Get out of my way. It's tripping. I don't know why. But all right. So that's the week. It went all the way down, then it bought, trying to buy its way back up, but it hits there and comes back down. So let's look and see what happened in 24 hours. I'll just go down here. All right. So they're buying up. they're buying up. So we're trying to get back up here to like 30 cents or so. That's where we're trying to go. So it's climbing up. I mean, I ain't messing with Doge. I'm just looking. Um, I would look, let's look at Shiba. See where Shiba is. Over here it shows your exchanges. So let's see. I'll do Coinbase. That's an American exchange here. See, I had lines up here. It actually broke those zones and came below. So I think it's trying to work its way back. And what time frame are we on in days? Okay. So there was a huge buyback yesterday, Sunday. Because um, you just got to look at the news and see what's going on. What you could always do is use TradingView to look at your chart, and then use CoinMarketCap to get other information. Social Shiba Inu price estimates, beta. Okay, you can kind of get information, get the price on each exchange. This is helpful. Some exchanges you might be able to get them for lower. Coinbase, you can see how much the market cap. Okay, this gives you some good insight. You might find some news. Then, like I said, look on YouTube, Google it, and see what's going on, and then that'll give you more information about what's happening with SHIB. Oh, we're gonna look. I'm gonna look and see which okay, that's number 12. It's number 12. Avalanche number 11. Dogecoin is number 10. So Dogecoin is more popular, but if you look at the percentage in the last 24 hours, SHIB is going up big time. And those movements, mind you, because that price is way below a penny, you make more on the move from SHIB going up. So that's something to keep in mind. So it wouldn't be a bad idea to get some SHIB right now. Let's look at TradingView again so I see the position where we at. Yeah, so we're below these zones that I had marked up before. So, and if we look at the days, let's go ahead and go into our time frame. It's kind of looks like it's kind of trending up. Yeah, it's definitely trending up. It's buying back up. This is what you call consolidation. When it stays within a certain zone, let me pull this down here. It's just trading sideways. It ain't really going nowhere. See that? It's staying within that zone. But now, look at that. Look at that. It stayed within that zone. It kind of broke out right there. And these are hour candles. Hour candles. I wanted to do like 4 hours. Look at that. It broke out, and then it came back down. Now it's stuck within that zone. See, when you use TradingView, it gives you a more educated perspective on the coin and seeing where it's been. That's the 4 hour. So we're at the top. We're breaking out of a zone right here. So this will give you a good indication that, you know, we could be uh, climbing back up to those other top higher zones. So let me look at the chat. What is Shiv coin? Shiv Inu. Yeah, it's on Robinhood, but it's also on Coinbase, and it's also on crypto.com. You can get it, but it's like a spin off from Dogecoin. And if you go to Coin Market Cap, you can go here, click on Shiba Inu, and here's where you can find out about it. All right. So it tells you the market cap, how much volume in the last 24 hours, and it's up 90%. So more people are coming into it. It's up 11%. Okay. Shiba Inu. Go down here. You can see historical data, holders, project information. You can see news. Okay. Billions worth of SHIB following announcement of new gaming partnership. So that's what you got to look at. And that was 5 hours ago. So people are getting more SHIB because they know that it's going to be used in gaming platforms. Dogecoin killer Shiba Inu listed by Kraken. That's some more news. But anyway, but here you can go to my page, emusician.info, and find out about the different crypto opportunities we're in, where you can use trading bots and earn money or crypto on a daily basis. You know, returns of 10% on up, 12, 15% returns, and even higher every month. But here's my information. If you ever want to get started or have any questions, I'll definitely hook you up with answers and resources. All right, so that's all for this week. I'll look at the chat and see if there's any questions. But yeah, this is what I do when I'm not doing music. I've been promoting the new album heavy and trying to arrange. We'll write out more charts, and I'm gonna be arranging some Christmas songs and stuff for some Christmas events that I got. And so you'll see more streams of me doing that. Right now, some music, because I got to get some play-alongs, some more hipper play-alongs for these parties that I have. So I got Christmas timers here that I was working on, and I got Oh Holy Night. So I'm gonna be getting my playlist together. All right, let's see what I did with my chat. What did I do with my chat? Y'all still cool? There we go. This is YouTube. If you're on Facebook, it doesn't allow me to see your comment here through this platform. I'd have to get it on my phone, so I'm gonna probably be late for those. You probably got to get me on YouTube. I can see it now. Uh, in the village, people talk about In the Village. My man Kendrick, he said In the Village is a dope album, bro. Appreciate it. People love In the Village. I'm so thankful, man. I'm so glad y'all like it. Oh yeah, I don't know if it's on Robinhood. I don't usually. I don't use Robinhood. I have before in the past, but uh, yeah, get it on crypto.com, get it on Coinbase, or get it on Kraken. You'll be able to get it tomorrow on Kraken. But appreciate y'all. Thank y'all so much for those that purchased the album. I have, like I said, I got physical copies, and I'm gonna be working on some more uh, sheet music, and I'll put some sheet music together. Let me know. Do y'all want? Would y'all buy the sheet music for the album? In the Village sheet music book. Yes, they do. Yeah, they have apps. Yeah, crypto.com is the only way that you can use it is through their app. I might have like uh I might have a link that you can use to sign up and get uh, free crow. Let's see. Oh, I can't type it through here. Here, do this. Um, are you on Telegram? Or if not, go to text me. Oh, maybe I can get in the chat. I don't think I can chat back to you from here. Um, but I was gonna send you a link, but it wouldn't allow me to. Oh, you know what? I can do it from my. Well, no, you're not on Facebook. You're on YouTube. So let me get on in this app and see if I can text that link to you. Give me 1 second here. I just need to pull up a chat. If not, it'd be quicker if you text me at 682-232-7185. That's 682-232-7185. But I'm gonna see if I can pull up this app so I can text you. Ted, what up? Okay, Rush Little, the third on Facebook. Okay. But see if this works. Um, I think this will work. I think I made a shortcut. Let's see if that link right there works. No, that don't work. I thought I made a shortcut. No, it might be called Wallet. Let's see. Did I make a link to Wallet? Nope. Nope. It's I can't remember what it was. So I'd have to send it to you through my phone. I got a link to crypto.com, and you'll be able to get some crow, I believe, with the referral link. It used to be like $25 worth. Everybody who initially got it early on, they made $300 because it shot up. But yeah, just do. Instead of wasting time trying to find it, just hit me up and I'll hook you up after I get off here. Oh, you got it? Okay. That's cool. You watching on Roku? Okay. All good. Roku. All right. Phew. Okay, y'all. Well, that's it for now. I'm gonna be working on something. I'll stream. I need to write the chart out to Honey Butter. Um, so I might be on here doing that. Make a long story short, I'm more, I'm managing my music business, doing gigs, Christmas time, preparing my playlist for Christmas events. I got one coming up on this Saturday, and then another one on the 7th. Then I got the Little Rock, Arkansas event, crypto Christmas event, on the 11th. Then I'm doing something on the 19th, 17th, 19th, leading up to Christmas. And yeah, that's my rotation. I'll play gigs and buy crypto. I got trading bots. Excuse me. I got trading bots that I allow to trade for me. I'll do some buying of coins myself when I look and see what's going on good in the market, looking at trading view and seeing a good spot to get some coin, and just grow. I create new products. Like I'm working on my sheet music now that I got my In the Village album done. Uh, so all of that. This is my website. It's working, and you can put your name and email here so you get on my email list and get updates of when things are happening. I'll share videos, YouTube videos that I post of performances and stuff. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you'll get it anyway if you're subscribed to the YouTube channel. But I'll just put my events here, and I'm gonna update this stuff here because you'll be able to buy physical copies of everything. So I need to have my assistant to update that page. Yep. So I'm gonna get my website updated. Oh, another resource I was gonna tell y'all too, Q Music Shed, and I'm gonna probably switch this over to Shopify, but I got play along tracks here, but I think I'm gonna do away with it and just do it through my website. I need to have an app for this stuff anyway, but like I said, I tried different things, explore different things, and employ it and see how it goes. And if it flies, roll with it. If not, you just kill it and move on to something else. Work with the things that make sense, that will bring forth some fruit. But you never know if you don't ever try. You don't have any information to determine what your next move should be. But as long as you're producing and planting and watering, then you have an opportunity to see if it's something that'll be good or not. But this is one, I hadn't had that many sales on it, but I hadn't promoted it as much either. But I promote my website more so than this, so I think I'm gonna just start putting everything on my website and push it that way. So I'll have to probably get my website updated. And I got to do some podcasts too. I got to get back on my podcast game because I like doing that. I've been streaming so much, so I might tie it into my streaming because I'll be doing my live streaming for you all. So, all right. I thought y'all could see my screen. Y'all can't see my screen. I thought I was sharing it. I forgot that I stopped it. Anyway. All right, that's it for now. Any more questions or comments? I'm here. It's 7:35, so I've spent an hour. All right. It says for my wife, I just got a free Galaxy Watch 4 from T-Mobile. It only costs $52.34. Okay, cool. All right, y'all. Appreciate y'all. We'll see you on the next go around. Make sure y'all show your love and support if you hadn't gotten it already. Get the In the Village from my website. And you can get the physical copy or you can get the digital one. And I'm going to be working on the sheet music. Let me know if y'all want some sheet music. All right. Oh, man, y'all remember that tune I did the other night? Last week I was working on one called Floating. I did the chart for it. I finished the chart and I did the track. The track is killing. I think I'm going to release the track as a single. I need to create a new series, Q tracks or something. I need to, because the version that I programmed the drums and everything. You know, let me see. Do I have it in here? Nah, I ain't gonna make this stream too long. I'll come back. This is Entrepreneurial Musician Call. Next time I'll do a stream and I'll show y'all. Um, I'll show y'all the new um, song Floating that I did in Logic. But I can't do it right now because I did it on my computer in the garage. That's where y'all usually see me, doing my streams. But I'm in the house now. But anyway, much love to y'all. I appreciate all y'all's support and for watching and keeping up with what's happening. But we'll see you next time.